Welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to one of the most prestigious events in the world of cinema and fashion, the 2024 Venice Film Festival. Every year, this festival not only showcases groundbreaking films but also serves as a runway for some of the most iconic fashion moments. This year was no different. From dazzling dresses to avant-garde styles, the stars have truly outdone themselves. Stay tuned as we explore the most memorable celebrity appearances that graced the red carpet. Let's dive in. 2024 Venice Film Festival Celebrity Red Carpet Looks. Silvia Caroline. First up, we have Silvia Caroline, who took bold fashion to a whole new level. Silvia, known for her fearless style, wore a vibrant, multi-layered gown that caught everyone's eye. The dress, a masterpiece of intricate embroidery and flowing fabric, featured a dramatic train that seemed to go on forever. Paired with statement jewelry and a chic updo, Silvia's look was a perfect blend of modern and classic, making her one of the most talked-about celebrities at the festival. Clara Galle. Next, Clara Galle made a stunning appearance in a sleek, all-black ensemble that was both minimalist and breathtaking. Her gown, with its elegant silhouette and subtle shimmer, was designed to catch the light at every angle. Clara kept her accessories simple, allowing her natural beauty and the gown's craftsmanship to shine. This look was a masterclass in understated elegance and has already sparked a trend among fashion enthusiasts. Halina Reijn. Halina Reijn wowed the crowd with a truly avant-garde look that defied traditional fashion norms. Her outfit, an elaborate mix of textures and asymmetrical cuts, was both daring and innovative. Halina's confidence on the red carpet was palpable, proving that fashion is as much about attitude as it is about the clothes themselves. Her look sparked conversations and debates, making it one of the most memorable of the night. Fatma Al Remaihi. Fatma Al Remaihi brought a touch of cultural elegance to the red carpet, donning a beautifully crafted gown that blended traditional motifs with contemporary fashion. The rich colors and intricate patterns on her dress were a tribute to her heritage, while the modern cut added a fresh twist. Fatma's look was both a celebration of culture and a fashion statement, earning her applause from the audience and critics alike. Madisin Rian. Madisin Rian stole the show in a striking blue gown that exuded confidence and power. The dress, with its bold color and daring cutouts, highlighted Madisin's statuesque figure. She completed the look with sleek hair and minimal accessories, allowing the vibrant hue of her gown to take center stage. Madisin's appearance was a perfect example of how a single, well-chosen color can make a huge impact on the red carpet. Victoria de Angelis. Victoria de Angelis brought her unique rock-and-roll glam to the Venice Film Festival, wearing a chic sliver outfit that combined edgy shine with delicate lace. The contrast between the tough and soft elements of her outfit was striking, making her stand out among the more traditionally dressed celebrities. Victoria's look was completed with bold makeup and statement boots, cementing her status as a fashion-forward trendsetter. Margherita Vicario. Margherita Vicario was a vision of springtime elegance in a blue gown that perfectly encapsulated the beauty of the season. Her gown featured a delicate lace. The flowing, ethereal nature of the dress, combined with Margherita's graceful presence, made her look like she had stepped right out of a fairy tale. Her choice of soft waves and a modern look further enhanced the magical theme of her outfit. Giusy Buscemi. Giusy Buscemi captivated the audience with a look that was fit for modern royalty. Her pale black gown, with its intricate lace detailing and voluminous skirt, was reminiscent of a fairy tale princess. Giusy's elegant hairstyle and diamond accessories added a touch of classic glamour to her modern princess look, making her one of the standout stars of the night. Maja Malnar. Maja Malnar made a bold statement with her futuristic chic look. Her metallic red gown, with its sleek lines and high-tech fabric, looked like it was straight out of a sci-fi movie. Maja's minimalist accessories and sleek hairstyle perfectly complemented the modernity of her outfit, making her one of the most talked-about celebrities at the event. Giorgia Venturini. Giorgia Venturini exuded effortless sophistication in a classic black gown that was both timeless and elegant. The simplicity of the dress was offset by its luxurious fabric and impeccable tailoring. Giorgia's understated jewelry and sleek hairstyle allowed the beauty of the gown to shine, proving that sometimes less truly is more on the red carpet. Emily Ratajkowski. Emily Ratajkowski brought her signature sultry glamour to the Venice Film Festival, wearing a form-fitting gown that highlighted her enviable figure. The dress, with its daring neckline and shimmering fabric, was a showstopper. Emily's smoky eye makeup and tousled waves added to the seductive vibe of her look, making her one of the most unforgettable appearances of the night. Valeria Golino. Valeria Golino proved that timeless beauty never goes out of style. Her elegant, floor-length gown, with its classic cut and subtle embellishments, was a nod to old Hollywood glamour. Valeria's graceful demeanor and polished look made her one of the most sophisticated stars on the red carpet. Izabel Goulart. Izabel Goulart turned heads with her bold and beautiful outfit choice. Her daring, high-slit gown, made of luxurious satin, showcased her flawless figure. Isabel's confident stride and radiant smile made her a standout star at the event, embodying both elegance and boldness. Leila George. Leila George opted for a classic look with a modern twist. Her sleek, shine gown featured unexpected cutouts that added a contemporary edge to an otherwise timeless silhouette. Leila's understated makeup and simple accessories allowed her natural beauty and the unique design of her gown to take center stage. Clara Soccini. Clara Soccini was the epitome of effortless glam in a flowing, pastel-colored dress. The soft, airy fabric and delicate details of her gown created a romantic, ethereal look. Clara's loose waves and natural makeup complemented her outfit perfectly, making her one of the most enchanting celebrities on the red carpet. Sigourney Weaver. Sigourney Weaver brought a regal and refined presence to the Venice Film Festival. Her elegantly tailored gown, with its rich fabric and sophisticated design, exuded a sense of authority and grace. Sigourney's poised demeanor and confident stride further enhanced her royal look, making her one of the most distinguished stars at the event. Eva Herzigova. Eva Herzigova channeled classic Hollywood glamour in a stunning, floor-length gown. The dress, with its delicate beading and timeless silhouette, was a tribute to the golden age of cinema. Eva's vintage-inspired hairstyle and bold nude lips completed the look, transporting us back to the days of old Hollywood. Nicole Wallace. Nicole Wallace opted for modern sophistication in a sleek, tailored suit that was both chic and contemporary. Her outfit, with its sharp lines and impeccable fit, was a refreshing change from the more traditional gowns. Nicole's bold choice of a dark lip and statement jewelry added a pop of color and personality to her look. Magda Swider. Magda Swider looked like a goddess in her green gown, which flowed around her like a soft cloud. The delicate fabric and intricate lace detailing added a touch of romance to her look. Magda's soft hairstyle and natural makeup completed her angelic appearance, making her one of the most unforgettable stars of the night. Sveva Alviti. Sveva Alviti made a bold statement with her unique outfit choice. Her dress, with its vibrant colors and daring cuts, was both eye-catching and unconventional. Sveva's confidence and charisma made her look one of the most talked about of the night, proving that sometimes, taking risks pays off. Souheila Yacoub. Souheila Yacoub captivated the crowd with her effortless grace. Her dress, with its flowing silhouette and soft fabric, moved beautifully with her every step. Souheila's natural beauty and simple styling made her one of the most charming stars of the night, proving that sometimes, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Giulia Gaudino. Giulia Gaudino stood out on the red carpet with her bold and bright outfit choice. Her dress, with its vibrant colors and playful design, was a breath of fresh air among the more subdued looks. Giulia's cheerful demeanor and radiant smile added to the joyfulness of her look, making her one of the most memorable stars of the night. Emma Fasano. Emma Fasano brought effortless chic to the Venice Film Festival with her understated yet stylish outfit. Her dress, with its simple lines and neutral color palette, was both modern and timeless. Emma's choice of bold accessories and a sleek hairstyle added a contemporary edge to her look, proving that sometimes, less truly is more. And there you have it, the most unforgettable celebrity appearances at the 2024 Venice Film Festival. From bold and daring outfits to timeless and elegant looks, this year's festival was a true celebration of fashion and style. Which celebrity look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest fashion trends and celebrity news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.